In this video, we'll be seeing on units of measurement. Metrology is the science of developing nationally and internationally acclaimed accepted units of measurement. A unit is any standard used for making comparisons in measurements. Unit conversions also allows the measurements of a property that have been recorded using different units. So the metric system is a framework of units of measurement that has grown from 1874 in a diplomatic treaty to the modern General Conference on Weights and Measures (CGPM). Modern system is properly called International System of Units or SI units, which has its origin from French language. Today, most people use the names metric and SI interchangeably. The metric system is the main system of measurement units used in science. Each unit is considered to be dimensionally independent of each other. There are 7 base units: length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, amount of substance, and luminous intensity. So these 7 metric units are defined as the following. Length, meter, m. The meter is the metric unit of length. It is defined as the length of the path light travels in a vacuum during 1 by 3 into 10 power 8 of a second. 8th of the second. Mass, kilogram. The kilogram is the metric unit of mass. It is the mass of the international prototype of the kilogram. A standard platinum iridium 1 kg mass housed in a place near Paris at International Bureau of Weights and Measurements, BIPM. Time, second. The basic unit of time is second. The second is defined as the duration of 9,192,631,770 oscillations of radiation corresponding to the transition between two hyperfine levels of cesium-133 element. Temperature, Kelvin. The Kelvin is the unit of thermodynamic temperature. It is the fraction of 1 by 273.16 of thermodynamic temperature of triple point of water. The Kelvin scale is an absolute scale, so there is no degree. The triple point is temperature, and the triple point is a point at which the temperature and pressure of the solid, liquid and vapor phases of particular substance coexist at equilibrium. Amount of substance, mole, MOL. Mole is defined as the amount of substance that contains as many entities as there are atoms in 0.012 kilograms of carbon 12. When mole unit is used, the entities must be specified. For example, the entities may be atoms, molecules, ions, electrons, etc. Luminous intensity, candela, CD. The unit of luminous intensity or light is candela. The candela is the luminous intensity in a given direction of a source emitting monochromatic radiation of frequency 540 into 1012 Hz with radiant intensity in the direction of 1 by 683 watt per radian. Electric current, ampere A. The basic unit of electric current is ampere. The ampere is defined as the constant current that, if maintained in two infinitely long straight parallel conductors with a negligible circular cross section and placed 1 meter apart in a vacuum, would produce a force between these two parallel conductors at 2 into 10 power minus 7 Newton per meter of the length. So that measurement is called an ampere. So that value of current that produces a force of 2 into 10 power minus 7 Newton per meter of length of in those conductors, between those conductors, is called an ampere. Liter. While meter unit of volume is cubic meter, the most commonly used unit, another unit is liter. A liter is equal in volume to 1 cubic decimeter, meter cube, which is a cube that is 0.1 meter on each side. Angstrom. 1 angstrom equals 10 power minus 8 centimeter or 10 power minus 10 meter. Named after Andreas Johannes Angstrom, the unit is used to measure chemical bond length, electromagnetic radiation wavelengths. Cubic centimeter. A cubic centimeter is a common unit used to measure solid volume. The corresponding unit for liquid volume is milliliter, which is equal to 1 cubic centimeter. Okay, as students, we should know what are these units and how are these units can be converted to another units for better understanding, because some units are better conceivable or better interpreted when they are converted to a smaller units. So for example, 0.001 meter is better represented as 1 into 10 power is better represented 1 into 10 power minus 2 meters, or it can be better represented in zero point 0.1 centimeter, or it can be better represented as 10 millimeters. Okay, so these are some ways that you change the units of the entities for understanding and interpreting the actual data. And for doing those things, you not only need a base fundamental, you need to have some more units called some more related and obtained units called derived units, which are obtained from these fundamental units. Okay, so what are these? They are radian units used to quantify an angle, hertz used for frequency, newton unit of weight or force, joule unit of energy, heat or work, watt unit of power or